What's up everyone, and welcome back to Elemental Crafting. This week, we're making a road marker. I was watching an early Game of Thrones episode and I came across this. A stone structure out on the road letting you know where you are. I thought it would be a pretty cool build, so that's what I did. So without wasting any more of your time, let's go get to work. Okay, so I started off by making a circle on a piece of chipboard and then cutting it out. Then carefully I beveled the edge. Okay, I wanted to make the height of this about 2 inches, so I took 2 pieces of foam and glued them together with hot glue. Then I took it over to my Proxon table with my circular jig with the wire on a little bit of an angle and cut it out. Now I'm going to cut up a bunch of bricks. I'm going to use the coffee can and the rocks technique to texture the bricks. I wanted to test the chipboard to see if there'd be warping, so I covered the bottom with black paint and Mod Podge. I let it dry and there's no warping. So I continued on. I glued the piece that I cut out onto the chipboard. And then with hot glue, I start to add the bricks. And once that's done, time to cover the top with bricks. I used a bunch of random different sized ones to cover the top. I added a few bricks to the ground to make it look like they fell off. I added some texture on the top with a foil ball. And now I cover the whole piece with Mod Podge and black paint to seal and protect the foam. Now on to painting. I base coat the entire thing in a dark gray. Now I'm going to use the sponge technique with a tan and a golden brown. Now I'm going to dry brush all the stones with a lighter gray and a vanilla. Now I cover all the stones with a black wash. Now before I start the flocking, I'm going to cover the base in a burnt umber. Now I'm going to cover the base with PVA glue and cover it with natural dirt. I'm going to add a few little stones. Then some green grass fine turf. And some lighter green fine turf. I think this is burnt grass. Now to lock it into place, I'm going to spray it down with some alcohol and then cover it with watered down PVA glue. And here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.